Hello guys, it's me, Ray, back again with another toy review. I'm going to review another old toy, but I think I got a name for this one now. For every old toy I review, I'll call the year, and now I'll call it 2017 review toy. I don't know, but I just got this from my cousin's birthday. I got this as a prize, and I loved it. It's amazing. So, this is Drift from Transformers the Last Night. I love this toy actually. I like it in the car mode because it looks amazing. But I kind of colored this because there was no detail, but the paint's chipping off. But so this car right here is amazing. I like it because this is my very first Drift Transformer toy. But one thing, why is he there? What the heck? But pretty good. Actually, I think the reason why it's not really alright, it's pretty good, but I must say I really like this toy. This toy, it has this Autobot symbol right here, some red stripes here. This one's red too, and that's my second favorite color, but it's amazing. And before I transform this, I kind of forgot, but let's look at the box. So it has Drift right there. Looks looking pretty good. Autobot Drift and the Autobot symbol. Then Transformers the Last Night. Age 8 Hasbro. Transformers. It costs 500 pesos. Then we got Drift again. It says here the bio. Master Swordsman. That's it. That's what it says. And then back here it says 10 steps to make him as a car mode or a robot mode. Then Steel Bane, and we got Squeaks there. And Hasbro and weird stuff going there. Warning, choking hazards, and then Transformers and an Autobot symbol. It says it's a deluxe class, which is pretty good. And nothing much at the bottom. It only says authentic Transformers. So let's now transform this. So first thing we're gonna do is, oh yeah, one more thing by the way. I keep forgetting things. Bumblebee and Optimus Prime right there, and Drift. There's something good about this toy when you open it. Oh, shoot. There we go. Just for a minute, let me just fix my box. Because I'm keeping it. Because it's too beautiful for me. Alright. Box put back. Besides you getting one instructions, in one box you get two. You get two instructions. And one of them is make him in car mode and wait, what? Wait, what the frick? What? Oh my gosh, I think I didn't barely notice that. Well, I'm lucky. I got two. So take that out of there. So now, transform this, you just need to take this out. Alright. Next thing, put this piece right here, this little bumper. Like that. And then put this up, then roll it back, like that. The reason why there's a tissue there, because it's loose. Yeah. And then, next thing we do is we put this Z up. That's pretty cool. Put this up right here too. Then, now, we spread this out like that, like so. And then one more thing though, you need to put this up like so. Then like put this up like that, and put it back right there. And then you put this backpack, that's what they call it, right here. And then put these things out for now. Then take this apart, take that out, put that back, take that out, put that back. And then what you're gonna do right here is you just, I guess, roll it. Let's roll it out. Get it? It's a Transformer joke. It sucks. Huh? I hear it. I hear my joke sucks, but just for a minute I'm trying to put this in here, you know. Alright, putting this tissue back in there so it won't get out. Yeah, baby. Now, just need to fix this. And there is drift. Wait. There's drift. Now, what I like about this is the color scheme. I like it. Even though it's my second favorite color. Really different from the first drift. A movie version that we saw. Now, what I like about this is, I don't really know, the car mode. But what I don't like about this is not much really paint on the face, on the body. It's okay right there though. But it's not bad. It's good to me. I like it. I must say it's pretty good. This part is really good. I say we buy it. So right now, let's do the articulation for now. And cause that's it. That's all I'm about to say about that drift. About this drift. One problem though with this thing. One more thing. These parts are very loose, that's why I put tissue in it, so yeah. That's it. So, let's now go for the articulation. So, first thing, for the head, you can roll it around, like, not really 360, I think. Oh yeah, you can. And then you can put it up, down, up, just a little bit of up, and a little bit of down. And just head pivot, then you can put this up, that far, put this down, that far. Again, rotate is this right here. Then, not much at the back. You can move this right here. You can move this right here. You can, I don't know, make it like that. Then, oh, camera. Alright. Put the legs out, forward and backward, in and out. You can do that, and actually you can't. Then you get upper thigh cut, I don't know. And then you can, I think, put the feet like that and like that. But this man is amazing. And it's pretty cool, I say. For the accessories, for these thingies, for the swords, there's a problem with this sword. It's bent. It's freaking bent. I don't like it. It's bent. And I don't want these bent. I want it straight like that, but I can't. And this is pretty good, actually. Now, about this figure, I just love it. This figure, I freaking love it. Like, no, not really much hate. I don't really hate it, but I love it. Literally. Yeah. When it was my cousin's birthday, I chose this because when I won a game, I was like, oh man, I want to find that drift figure. And my cousin saw it, like my other cousin, and she was like, nope. And I took it, and I took this prize because you choose any prize you want, and you'll get it. And yeah, this guy is pretty good. Now I'll show you how you transform it back to car mode, because I do both when it goes to Transformers. Okay, so you put this you put this right here, put it back like so, and you roll this back like that, and then you roll this thing back like that. It should look like this. Now this one should go then like so. Now the legs should go like that's it for the legs. That's it. Then you put this together. Alright. Pretty good. Now we put this out. Oh shoot. Pretty good, I think. Now put that back in place. Now you stick this together, then you just push those things together. Steady the face. Now the car should look like this. Just for a minute, just let me put that sword thingy. That thing in his back. Just need to put it back in his body. Now, you just roll this out. Get it? Yeah, that's my joke earlier. Man, I'm so bad at making jokes. But we just push this right here. We push this right here. We put this in there. Alright. And then it should look like that. Then you push it right here. Yep, and push this more right here. Yep, pretty good. Now, next thing. Ugh! Dang, these swords, I hate it. Let me just fix it. It's kind of a fail to our review because these things fall out easily. Then, last thing to do, to make it look like a car mode, you just put it like this. You just push these two wheels together. Then you put this right here. Then you put this one right here. Now let me do it. So, just push it hard enough. Then you just, my goodness. Wait, let me just fix it. Man, these are hard to transform. This thing is pretty hard to transform. Then if you want to store the swords, here's the sword right here. Just put it right there. You know what I'm saying? Put this other sword right here. And let me just fix it a little bit, because it looks horrible. I'm not really good at transforming this drift, because I think I'm better with transforming easy ones, like Bumblebee and stuff, you know. And there it is. That's drift. And if you're saying, where's the comparison? I want a comparison. I don't have my Transformers yet. It's at my room, and I'm at my living room reviewing. That's my foot right there. Right there. I don't want to get it because it'll make me wait for too long, and I don't want to edit this a little too much, so Yeah. And I must say, I might give this a 4. I mean 5. You know what? Just make it a 9 out of 10 because of the swords falling out. So, yep. Oh wait, let's make it a 8 out of 10 because first thing, swords fall out easily. What the heck? And then not much paint, even right here. So that's all for my review. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Bye.